The Whirlpool Duet Dryer's F23 error indicates a failure of the outlet thermistor. This issue can be caused by a faulty outlet thermistor or faulty connections. To fix the error, start by inspecting the wiring of the thermistor to check for any faulty connections. If the wiring is faulty, replace the thermal components, such as the thermal cutoff. Additionally, try resetting the control board by disconnecting the dryer from the power supply. If the F23 error persists, repair or replace the temperature sensor. To access the thermistor, remove the access panel near the thermal fuse and take out the lint filter to reach the exhaust. If no open circuit is detected, remove the P4 connector to measure the resistance. A resistance reading of 5 to 15 ohms may require replacing the control board components, while a reading of less than 1 ohm indicates the need to replace the outlet thermistor. By following these steps, the F23 error on the Whirlpool Duet dryer can be resolved.